Hi everyone. Uh, this video presents storage management system. The subject name is operating systems. Okay. First is about what is operating system. An operating system is software that manages a computer's hardware. Okay. It also provides a basic basis for application programs, and it acts as an intermediary between the computer user and the computer hardware. Okay. This is known as operating systems. Next, see about what is storage management system. Okay, storage management is the process of controlling and coordinating computer memory, assigning portions called blocks to various running programs to optimize overall system performance. Okay, that means allocating process. Okay, freeing it for reuse who no long needed. Okay, deal allocating process. Memory management resides in hardware, in the operating system, and in programs and applications. Okay, some motivations are available. Keep several processes in memory to improve a system performance, allows like multi-programming systems. Okay, what are the limitations means requires the entire process to be in memory for executions. Okay, this is the storage management limitations. Okay, uh, next some backgrounds memory are available. Okay, what are the background memory means a large array of words or bytes. Each word or bytes its own address. It has own address central to the operations of a modern computer systems. Okay, this is the basic concept of storage management system. Next is about instruction execution cycle. Okay, all computers have an instruction execution cycle. Okay, a basic instruction execution cycle can be broken down into the following steps. So what are the following steps? It has two steps. First one is fetch cycle, and next one is execution cycle. Okay, so these two cycles are instructions execution cycles. First steps in fetch and execute cycle. Okay, the instructions is fetched from memory addressed by program counter. Okay, program counter is advanced to address the next instructions. Okay, instruction decoder decodes the instruction held in IR. Okay, instruction register. Okay, instructions then executed. Okay, finally results are stored back to the memory. These are all the steps for fetch or execution cycle. Okay, the above process the above process is repeated until the complete test of instructions is fetched. Okay, instructions is fetched from memory address. PC is advanced to address the next instructions. Instructions decoded decodes the instruction held in instruction register. Next instructions is then executed. Finally results are stored back to the memory. Okay, uh, next important topic is swapping. Okay, so what is swapping? A process to be executed should be available in the main memory for execution. Okay, uh, all the processes are stored in the backing store temporarily. Okay, the process of swapping is to move the process between main memory and backing store. Okay, swapping refers to moving entire process in and out of main memory. That is the main concept of swapping. Okay, swapping refers to moving entire process in and out of main memory. This is called as swapping. Okay, so the main two methods are available. One is the round robin CPU scheduling algorithm and priority based scheduling algorithm. Okay, let's see about round robin CPU scheduling algorithm. Okay, what is round robin method? Each process provide a fixed time to execute called time slicer quantum. Okay, next CPU scheduler picks the process from the circular or ready queue. Okay, uh, interpret after the given time slice quantum time and dispatches it. Okay, if process has burst time less than defined time slice or quantum. Okay, first process will leave the CPU after the compilation, and CPU will proceed with the next process in the ready queue, circular queue. Okay, else if process has burst time longer than defined time slice or quantum expresses. Okay, so this is the round robin CPU scheduling algorithm. What are the operating system works means a timer will be stopped. It causes interruptions to the OS. Okay, some advantages are available for round robin CPU scheduling algorithm. Starvation free. Okay, every process will be executed by CPU for fixed interval of time. Okay, um, simple and easy to implement round robin CPU scheduling algorithm. Okay, so this is the advantages. Next is about priority based scheduling algorithms. Each process is assigned a priority. Okay, name itself, the definitions. Each process is assigned a priority. Process with the highest priority is to be executed first, and so on. Okay, process with the same priority are executed on first come first server basis. Okay, priority can be decided based on memory requirements, timer equipments, or any other resources requirement. Okay, follows roll out, roll in. Okay, when higher priority process service. Okay, lower priority process is swapped out, and higher priority process can be loaded and executed. Okay, these are all the priority based scheduling algorithms. Okay, so next is see about address binding. Okay, if the address binding is done at two main concept. One is assembler or load time, and next one is execution time. Okay, what does mean by assembler or load time? Swapping of process cannot be moved to different memory locations. It is called as assembly or load time. Okay, so next one is execution time. Swapping of process moved to different memory locations. It is called as execution time. Okay, so next, backing store. What is mean by backing store? Swapping needs a backing store which is a fast disk large enough, okay, to accommodate copies of all memory images for all users. Okay, it must provide direct access to these memory images. This is called as backing store. Next one is transfer time. The total transfer time is directly proportional to the amount of memory swapped. Note that context switching time is the scheme is quite high. Okay, this is called as transfer time. Okay, address binding and backing store transfer time. These are all the very important point for swapping concept. Okay, and next is see about some example for swapping. Assume that 100 MB in a process size, and next backing store is a standard hard disk transfer rate of 50 MB per second. Okay, what is the actual transfer of the 100 MB process or for from main memory equal to 100 MB divided by 50 MB per second, or finally got the 2 seconds. The swapping time is 2 seconds. Okay, so these are all the basic storage memory and main memory concept. Okay, thank you.